You join us back on the new build where we are up on the Gables today. Now this morning we had a bit of a cock up, probably on my behalf really. Some stonework did not look very good, so we had to sort that out first thing. God knows how that's happened. I spotted it last night. I was laying over there so I never spotted it, but we've had a band of all these grey stones going. I'm going to take this one out, probably that one and maybe that one, but this is why this is so good. Shouldn't take too long. Should have noticed it yesterday. We've done a really nice job of mixing up all the stone everywhere, and then that happens. And then take out one of those small ones over there. We'll replace that in a minute. I can't believe how quick that is. That's all right. Just change up the size. Yeah, that's significantly better, isn't it? But no bother. We are on the Gables again. I think third day on the Gables. All we got to do is get 8 courses of stonework up to this height here, which is our padstone height, which is our steel ridge beam height. Do that on this side and then do that on the other gable. That is it, and then we are pulling off this job until 2026, so the new year. So pretty much the final day on this job for this year, which is absolutely fantastic and quite exciting. So we're going to get stuck in today, whip up a bit of stonework, and then we are out of here for the year. So I guess if we just make sure it's all right, like having stones what don't match very good. But as long as we make sure that they are all mixed up on the gable, that would be quite decent. I can't be bothered to get up on a ladder and sort this one out. Oh, I'm going to treat myself again to some new levels at Christmas, and I'm buying a full D-bolt set because we're tapping into joinery and plastering in the new year. Yeah, I'm actually really looking forward to that. Not the timber part, because I hate it, but at least the plastering part, because me, you can see me, I can render a wall. I spoke to Charlie yesterday, and I was like, wow, he's so happy with little Jake. Yeah. Oh, he's obviously happy with you, he's happy with all of us, but yeah, it's really positive, that. Really positive, you know. Just speaking the good word of the men, the merry men. This shouldn't take us too long today. And then I'm going to get apprentice Jake inside. I might actually get him on that now. Fantastic. We are up to lintel height on this gable. Now, if you come in close, you can see how we've got our steel here. So this steel is taking the steel ridge beam. Because we've had this steel go on a particular height to catch the steel ridge beam, it means our lintel height doesn't work anymore. So this is internal lintel height or head height. And then this is the exterior head height here. So what we're doing, we're having to put an L lintel on like this, because we could never have a lintel on the back because we've got a steel sat on it. And then what we're going to have to do, the plasterer / joiner is going to have to bring down and box out the inside of this window frame internally. Like I say, because we're 75mm lower now because of where the steel's been placed. It's just one of them, it's not actually going to make a difference at all, but I just thought I'd mention that. So not looking too bad. Build over this lintel now. Should be all right. These old lintels are crap. Build over this. We've only got 4 more courses, and then we're dropping onto that. Great having a new blade, isn't it? Move my trowel. Yeah, nice, and we'll slide it back your way. Drag that along a little. Yeah. Nice. Okay, try and get this in a position where I want it. There we go. I'll cut the tray off in a minute. Stand. Nice. Up stand. We'll go there. 250. 250. Nice. Okay. And then we'll put one weed bowl in the middle. Up stand there. I want that to be there. That's a quite nice stone here. Oh, it's dry as well. It's positive. Yeah, which is nice, isn't it, for us over this lintel? Oh, awesome. I reckon if I can bridge this and... Oh, I dropped my blooming weep hole. Mate, can you grab me another weep hole? Get this in 2 big stones. The steel shouldn't bend too much. Thank you. There should be one more large stone somewhere. 400, yes please. That's what I want. Ah, where's that going to put me here? It's going to put me almost straight. I don't want that. 440 will put me worse. If anything, I could probably do with like a 350-ish. There we go. There's that weep hole gone. There. I've got anything like a 290. It's okay when you lay over these like small like L lintels, but the big ones in it, they're so bad. I don't understand how they can get away with selling a lintel, what's 2 mil, 3 mil worth of steel, and go, yeah, that's sound that. It's shit. Fantastic, thank you. I appreciate that. I appreciate everything you do though, you know what I mean? Lovely. And then that gives me the little upstand, massive upstand there. That's not bad. I don't actually want to put any more weight over that. It already looks like it's starting to come forward. Yeah. See, I call them briquettes. Yeah, I've never heard them called common before.
I've always...
What have you called them?
Always common, yeah.
Yeah.
But I don't know.
Maybe that's a Sheffield thing though.
Might be, yeah.
Like, I don't know what you guys call compo. What do you call compo again? Gobbo. That's horrible. It just sounds horrible.
It does sound a bit horrible. Yeah, I will. It's a right one.
No, I like to say just get me a bucket of shit,
Yeah.
which is always quite nice. Lovely. Oh, I've definitely got 200mm bearing.
Absolutely.
That is splendid. That's grand, that. Moment of truth.
There we go. Let me just close my eyes.
Yeah, please.
Oh my.
Oh, it's good. It's fantastic. Well, then again, what do you expect? I might just give it a little bit more. 115. 115. Okay, that's cool. That's good for a bit of block work on the back. That's going to be hard to do, isn't it? I might have to get the hop up and do that. It was really until, well, we rocked up screaming profanities there, weren't it? Just have a little bit of peace and quiet on site. We say this all the time though, don't we? Like sometimes it's nice not to have the radio blaring, because sometimes you can't hear yourself think. We've not had it on for months now.
It's rare that we have the speaker on here.
Is it because we just talk too much drivel?
I think so. I'm trying to think when it's good to have the radio on.
Would you just, sorry, would you cut me a 40mm piece, no, 35mm piece off briquette? Nice, perfect, thanking you. I don't know if it'll fit or not, but it'll be very close. Wait to get some insulation in this wall when it turns up. Nice, thank you. The drone at. Now he's got something strapped through his head. Perfect. Let's have that. Oh, it's just the right length. It's like a match made in heaven. I tell you what we'll do, we'll send it back. And then, yeah, go on. See how that sits there. Let me get a stone to trap it. Nice. Nice, trap it with another stone. Yeah, beautiful. Thank you, sir. Nice. And then just, I'll be laying in a second, so it should be alright. Yeah, it certainly is. Right. Cool. Put this with ties. Yes. Bang. 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 Fuck it, loads of ties.
Nice.
Good. Lovely. Thanking you, sir. Thank you, sire. Full block, perfect. Cool, baby. Good stuff. That's the block work done. Get a few more quarters of stone, and then we're on the big tidy up, set for the new year, which is very exciting.
What will 2026 bring?
Hopefully, what have we been this year? New build and a couple.
For 6 months and then
I know. Glad we're off there though. Right, there we go. That is where we're leaving it for today. And for this build, fingers crossed, this year. So we're going to be pulling off for the next couple weeks. I mean, we are 15 days now till we break up to Christmas. While we're off over the Christmas break, all of the roof structure is going to be going on. So we will be back in the new year to hopefully wrap this job up, because I'm getting a bit sick of coming here. But overall, the last 2 days have been really good. Yesterday, really negative, very annoyed. It was raining all day, really cold, everything was wet, everything was against us. However, I feel like Jake and I have really pulled it back over the last couple of days. So all the lintels sat on, block work pretty much done. You can see there's barely any gables to build now. So that's really, really positive. So thank you very much for watching this one, and I will catch you guys in the new year when we're on this job. But for now, we're heading over to a brand new job to start digging out. So you'll be seeing that pretty soon.